In this video, we're going to go over how to do a Indiana criminal record search or how to locate Indiana arrest records using the internet. If you come down to indianapublicrecords.org, on the front page you'll notice a large selection of public record databases available in the state of Indiana. Some of these might be useful. In our case, we're going to be looking at arrest and criminal records. So if you hover over other records, you'll notice criminal records. If you click on that, scroll down, you'll see options that are available statewide, anything from court records, and you have a system that has quite a few counties in a single system. And then you have another one that has about 66 counties. So you're able, these two systems are pretty centralized. You have an option to do a statewide state police check, prison records, sex and violent offender registry list, warrants, things like that. If you click on the background check, you'll also find some options at the county level. So sometimes if you're looking at somebody, if you're just looking at the prison database, somebody that just got arrested and released the same day is not necessarily going to show up here. So if you need to find local jail arrests, you want to look at the local jail sheriff's department website. And so we have provided some links for local resources as well for the most populous counties. Another option you have available to you is you could look at the inmate specific page, the court specific page. Maybe you want to find a warrant. Just depends how far you want to go. Your other option is to use the search box up here. Now this is a private database, and what this does is it gathers information not only at the county and state level in Indiana, it goes outside the state. So it's like a nationwide type of a check. So you have databases coming from all sorts of places. So let's say somebody has a criminal record in Texas or maybe in Georgia and they move to Indiana. If you're just doing local checks, it's not going to pick up on that. So it's a good idea to have that bird's eye view, have that big picture view of somebody's movements around the country on the types of records that might be out there somewhere else in another state. It's a good idea to use both databases together. Obviously, all the records will generate at the local level. That's where it's going to be the most up to date and probably the most detailed. The drawback, if you're just using that, is somebody might have records coming out of different counties, different states, so you might miss that. So in order to cover your bases, you can use both systems and to get the best results. So once again, indianapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Indiana criminal records check.